Hi there, welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting again. In today's video, we will be reviewing Keto Smart, the fast and easiest way to lose weight while eating your favorite foods. But before I get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide that you are going to get the Keto Smart for your weight loss journey, I would recommend you to click the link in the description below this video to get it at a discount price. Keto Smart Reviews. Is Smart Keto Lifestyle and Recipe Guide legit? Keto Smart is an all-in-one keto guide that teaches you how to lose weight and feel great. The keto diet has never been more popular. Keto Smart introduces you to the keto diet and how it works, then gives you actionable advice on following the keto diet. Is Keto Smart worth the price? What will you learn in Keto Smart? Find out everything you need to know about this diet guide today in our review. What is Keto Smart? Keto Smart is a keto diet guide sold exclusively online through the link in the description. The diet guide contains comprehensive advice on following the keto diet, losing weight with keto, and eating the best keto foods. Keto Smart is entirely digital and you can start your keto diet immediately and begin losing a significant amount of weight. The keto diet, for those out of the loop, is a high-fat, low-carb diet. The diet has existed for decades, but it has become particularly popular in recent years. Today, many people have lost significant amounts of weight while following the keto diet, including people who have had limited success with other diets. Who should buy Keto Smart? Keto Smart is catered to beginner and intermediate keto dieters alike. Maybe you're a complete beginner. You've heard about the keto diet, but you're not sure where to get started. Keto Smart can explain everything you need to know about the keto diet, how to get started, and how it works. Or, maybe you've been trying to lose weight for years and had limited success with other diet plans. Many people have had success with the keto diet, even if they have had poor results with other diets. Some people buy Keto Smart because they already know about the keto diet and how it works, but they want to maximize the effectiveness of the diet. Keto Smart can help intermediate and advanced keto dieters take their weight loss results to the next level. What will you learn in Keto Smart? Keto Smart teaches you everything you need to know to begin the keto diet, follow the keto diet, and lose weight through the keto diet. The guide contains recipes, scientific evidence, weight loss tips, and practical strategies. There are also exercise guides, shopping lists, and other information. All of this information is delivered in PDF format. You can read Keto Smart on any internet-connected device. Once you buy the guide, it's yours to use however you like. Some of the core features of Keto Smart include weight loss tips, healthy keto tips, how to start, stay, and live the keto diet, how to maximize the health benefits of the keto diet, including the fat burning, weight loss, and energy benefits linked to the keto diet. What to eat when following the keto diet, including keto-friendly breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and desserts anyone can make at home. Overall, the makers of Keto Smart describe their ebook as the most comprehensive yet crisp resource for helping you start, stay on and follow a keto lifestyle, giving you the weight loss results you deserve. Health benefits of the keto diet. According to the Keto Smart website, keto dieters can enjoy powerful benefits, including all of the following. Stimulates fat burning. Rapid weight loss. Supports heart health. Supports healthy sleep cycles. Boosts energy and performance. Enhances focus and clarity. As any keto dieter will tell you, it is possible to enjoy these benefits while following the keto diet. Many people experience these benefits and more after starting the keto diet. Your body is burning fat for energy instead of carbs, and it can lead to noticeable changes in energy levels. How does the keto diet work? The keto diet works by forcing your body into a state of fat-burning ketosis. Your body burns energy constantly throughout the day. You need energy to breathe, to run, and to digest the food you eat. Whether you're exercising or not, your body burns a certain number of base calories per day. Typically, your body gets calories from the foods you eat. Your body turns carbs into energy, for example, because they're the fastest and easiest type of energy for your body to process. What happens when you deprive your body of carbs? That's how the keto diet works. If you don't get enough carbs, then your body still needs to produce energy. Instead of taking energy from carbs, it takes energy from your stored fat. It burns your fat to create energy. When your body burns fat for energy, you enjoy two crucial benefits. You enjoy sustained physical and mental energy levels throughout the day. You burn fat and lose weight. To force your body to enter ketosis, you follow a high-fat, low-carb diet. Some keto dieters aim for a mix of 90% fat and 10% carbs, with 90% of your calories coming from fats and 10% coming from carbs. By following this diet, you deprive your body of easy carbs for energy, forcing your body to burn fat for energy. Your body also enters ketosis when fasting. If you haven't eaten anything in 12 hours, your body may not have carbs to use energy. Your body still needs to create energy, so it burns fat to produce that energy. Your body is in a state of ketosis, and it's burning fat and helping you lose weight. In conclusion and as a final thought, if you are looking to be able to lose weight while eating your favorite foods, then I recommend you try Keto Smart. I hope you will make the best decision for yourself. The link in the description is an affiliate link that will take you to the product page. If you make any purchase, you will get a discount while I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Click the link below to get your own copy of the Keto Smart today.